Hey guys, HB Garage here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add air to your tires, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, let's get right to it. So, I have a Power Force air compressor kit here that I'm going to be demonstrating to teach you guys how to put some air in your tires, but if you don't have this kit or if you don't have an air compressor, you could just go to a local gas station and fill up your tires, but I'm going to teach you guys how to do it the right way, so let's get right into it. And as always, make sure to leave a like and subscribe guys, because I post helpful tips like this, and yeah guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, first thing you want to do is locate your cap to insert the air into, so you want to take that off. Just like so. Then you want to get your air compressor kit, or let's say you're at a gas station, you just get the hose, but I'm demonstrating with the air compressor kit. So you take it out, get your battery pack, and you want to put your little plug right here into the battery, just like that. Then you want to take out your tubing to attach to the tire, just like that. This is what it is. So you want to attach it in like that. Just screw it on, then you can hear a little air coming out, just like that. And once that's securely on, then if you bring it up like this, it'll tell you what it's reading. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right now it's reading about 30 pounds of pressure. So these tires take 35, but every tire is different, so it depends on what tire you have, but mine take 35, so right now it's about like 32. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. And quick little note, you'll see it start to go up. And same thing at the gas stations, like you look at it, it'll start going up. So yeah, let's go. Just click it on. And just like that, it's at 35 pounds of pressure. So I'm gonna take it off. And or when you take it off, it makes a little air noise, but you're not losing like crazy amount of air. It's just because you're taking it off. And you just screw it back on, just like that. And then that's basically it guys. It's not really that hard, it's just that's how you put air in your tires. Alright guys, and that's exactly how you fill up a tire the correct way. So as always, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah guys, I hope it helped you, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.